How to see recently viewed Pinterest posts. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to see recently viewed Pinterest posts. This is going to be really easy, so let's get started. Let's open our Pinterest app. And from the home page, you should see different options at the bottom of the screen. We have search, create, notifications, and save. You have to tap on save. Now on this page, if you didn't really save all these Pinterest posts you want to see again, you don't have to worry because all you need to do to find them is tap on the three dot icon on the right top corner. So let's tap this one. And from here, tap Settings. And under Account Information, tap Home Feed Tuner. Now on this page, you should see three options. We have Boards, History, and Topics. You have to tap on History. And there you have it. Here are all your recently viewed Pinterest posts. You can even see how long ago you viewed them. Take a look at these ones, for example. I viewed them like 54 minutes ago. And in addition, if you don't want any of these recently viewed Pinterest posts affect your home feed, you can just click on the turn off button below the picture. And you should see less of them, like this sunset, for example. But that's how easy it is to see recently viewed Pinterest posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a comment below, like this video, or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.